This is the one. This is the one. This is the one. Okay. We're cooking. Alright. We got that. Okay. Setting the bar. Gotta be a good time. Come on. Okay. Come on. Alright, I believe in this. Oh no. Why do we have to be in a level patch? Okay. Alright. We can do this. Come on. Okay. We need over a stack of cobblestone. I hope this happens very quickly. This is an incredibly painful process. Okay, alright. All we need to do is just get over a stack of cobblestone and we can start crafting our furnaces. I feel like this is gonna be it. I think this is the one. I think this might be the fastest time possible in the world. It's literally unbeatable. Alright. I actually don't know how much cobblestone I need. I'm just gonna hope this is enough. 10! Okay, we only need 12 more. That's not true. We need 24 more. 24 cobblestone, okay. It's okay. Oh no. I feel like I'm getting a migraine. Why can't I? Oh my god, I can't move my thumb. I think I was hyperventilating too much. Oh! I can't move! Oh my god!